Okay, so Amrit, let me record your final selection in IIT Kharagpur in Chemical Engineering Department as MTech,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amrit. So Amrit, I need some information from your side. When did you
Yes, sir.
graduate in chemical engineering? From which college? What was your CGPA, your GATE score with chemical engineering GATE, and your category? This information first.
Yes, sir. Actually, I graduated in 2020 from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies with chemical engineering specialization in refinery and petrochemicals.
Okay.
Last year, I appeared for GATE in 2020, and my score was around 393.
Okay.
So unfortunately, I had not uh, got Georpedia, so I
Okay.
could not get any college.
Okay.
But this year, I again appeared for the GATE, and my score is around what it's actually 621,
Okay.
and rank is 439,
Mhm.
and my category is general EWS.
Okay. So what is your CGPA? You said, Amrit?
So
CGPA.
my CGPA is 7.81.
7.81. Now, Amrit, please tell us, other than IIT Kharagpur, now which you have finally joined in chemical engineering, other than IIT Kharagpur, what other options did you get?
In round one, I got IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, IIT BHU, IIT Hyderabad, and IIT Guwahati.
All chemical
So
engineering.
all chemical engineering.
Okay.
Uh, Actually, Guwahati have not like chemical engineering. They are running with material science and petroleum science. I
Okay.
got their petroleum science because it was
Okay.
my first preference.
Mhm.
In second round, I got IIT Kharagpur as I had selected it, and IIT Madras Catalysis Technology.
Okay. IIT Madras Catalysis Technology. Okay. So why you chose IIT Kharagpur, Amrit?
So I wanted to be in my specific domain because I had my interest in fluid mechanics, particularly
Mhm.
in computational fluid dynamics, and
Mhm.
so I wanted to be in the chemical engineering. So can I pursue my career in transport phenomenon?
Okay. Okay, good. So Amrit, now let me come to second part. Normally in BTech, you go for BTech project and you
Yes,
go for internship also. So
yes.
some students do it seriously, some students do not do seriously. In which category you are? Have you done your internship BTech seriously, or that was for curriculum formality?
Sir, about internship, I have done it seriously because company was investing on us.
Okay.
Uh, they were investing a lot on us actually. So
Okay.
we had no choice actually, and I also was interested in the research. And the
Okay.
second about project,
Hmm.
the college project, there
Hmm.
were two projects: minor project and major project. Minor,
Okay.
I did it very well.
Hmm.
Major, I did the first part till when the college was open. We
Hmm.
did it did very well, but when the
Okay.
college get closed due to this corona and all,
Hmm.
we did it. But actually, it was a more about a coding project. It was
Okay.
about optimization.
Okay.
So
Hmm.
you can say that it was not that bad. It was a good project after all.
Okay, so we will do one thing, Amrit. Why I'm asking this is because we are going to create your portfolio, that as a profile member. In that portfolio,
Yes, sir.
recording जैसे उसके अंदर जाएगा, and जो भी आपके portfolio में recordings आपका रहेगा, we can share those clips with you also. In that, I also
Yes.
want कि जो आपने internship किया है, if there is a good learning involved, that should also be recorded. Maybe I'll
Yes.
ask you what you have done in that. Maybe one mentor of chemical engineering will also ask you, and similarly project, whether it
Yes.
is minor or major, जो भी आपने काम की चीज की है, मैं चाहता हूँ वो काम की चीज रिकॉर्डिंग में आए, वो आपका पोर्टफोलियो का पार्ट भी बने और वो बाकियों के साथ हम शेयर भी कर सकें अगर हम कर सकते हैं तो. सो दैट इज व्हाट.
Sir, one more thing I
या.
forgot to mention. Uh, in second year, I also did a project in IT Kanpur. It was
ओके.
about uh, oil spillage removal.
ओके.
It was also, you can say it was a
गुड
serious
प्रोजेक्ट.
project.
सो अमृत, लेट्स डू दिस वे. जो भी आपने प्रोजेक्ट्स किए हैं, जैसे आईआईटी कानपुर में आपने किया है, इंटर्नशिप में आपने किया है, माइनर प्रोजेक्ट आपने किया है, उसका प्लीज मेक वन सॉर्ट ऑफ पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन, राइट, स्मॉल पीपीटी.
Yes, sir.
You present that, we will be discussing that, we will be asking you some question, and that will become a portfolio for you also, and we will also keep it with us also for our reference. Benefit of that is maybe somebody gets some idea, like okay, this work was already done, he learned something out of it. क्योंकि ऐसी लर्निंग अभी नहीं है, ऐसे बच्चों के पास लर्निंग नहीं है, बिकॉज वट एवर एफर्ट यू हैव डन, that should not go waste. That should be recorded somewhere, that should be kept with us, and that should be shared. That is what my view is, so that somebody learns, he can come out of some ideas from that. And yes, you can also put it as a part of your CV. So CV abhi tak kya hota tha, that used to be a piece of paper. Ab CV concept is being replaced by portfolio. That means when somebody, you want to introduce yourself to somebody as a technocrat, you don't introduce by writing couple of lines as a project. You send him your recording PPTs also, like this is what I have done and this is what I want to share, couple of minutes, 4-5 minutes का. तो वो आप जब तैयार हो जाएंगे, you give me a call. I'll be bringing one chemical engineering mentor also with us. So we three will sit together, you will present, we'll ask you
Yes.
some sort of questions, we'll record that, right Amrit? And now my
Yes,
last question
yes.
to you is, what after IIT Kharagpur chemical engineering, what is there in your mind as of now?
Sir, I want to pursue PhD because actually I want to be a teacher because I
Okay,
love teaching. So
okay,
and also
okay.
I have some inclination for research.
Great. So we will keep on sharing the जो research चल रहा है world over global universities में, we'll keep on sharing with
Yes.
you that also as a profile member. तो हम वो आपको यहाँ share करते रहेंगे अमृत. Fine. Anything you want to tell or tell the students next year who want to apply for chemical engineering domains? Anything you want to tell them?
Yes, sir. One thing that actually we as a student should know that we should have belief on us. Actually, what we do, we make a hype of all things. We make a hype of GATE. We made a hype of JEE. We made a hype of mains. And what happens? You make a hype. You create all the drama and scenarios and end up with nothing. Just believe in yourself. It's very easy. Just do it. Nothing. There is no. One thing is that there is no shortcut. You have to do hard work. And second thing is you have to believe in yourself. You can do it. It's easy.
Yeah, I will add to that, Amrit, what you said. I will add to that there is nothing difficult, there is nothing easy also. I mean, everything requires some effort. अगर आपको अच्छा करियर बनाना है तो मेहनत लगेगी, लेकिन अगर हम सोचें कि हमसे बन ही नहीं सकता, बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट, हम कर ही नहीं पाएंगे, that is also wrong. So when we say that low gate score पे एडमिशन होता है, तो बच्चे ये सोचते हैं कि कम एफर्ट पे होता है. I said low gate score, I did not say कम एफर्ट पे, क्योंकि लो गेट स्कोर के बाद क्या होगा, इंटरव्यू होगा, प्रोफेसर बेवकूफ तो नहीं बैठा है, प्रोफेसर आपसे पूछेगा कि भाई आपने क्या लर्निंग किया. जैसे आपने बताया कि 393 आपका गेट स्कोर था लास्ट ईयर, आपको अगर कॉल आता भी तब भी वो आपको ऐसे नहीं ले लेते, वो आपसे पूछते कि आपने क्या किया. फिर आप बताते कि सर मैंने IIT कानपुर में इंटर्नशिप किया, सर मैंने इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग में ये किया और मेरे को ये आता है. अगर उनको अच्छे लगते तो आपको ले लेते. तो स्टूडेंट्स एक्चुअली मिसकंसेप्शन बहुत ज्यादा है बच्चों में. एक सबसे बड़ी मिसकंसेप्शन जो मैं डिसॉल्व करना चाहूंगा अभी आप लोगों की हेल्प के साथ, वो कि IITs में जाने के बाद प्लेसमेंट नहीं होता. बीइंग माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम IIT बैकग्राउंड, आई अंडरस्टैंड ऐसे बिल्कुल गलत है. IITs आर द बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट्स. दे गिव यू लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू लर्न, टू ग्रो, दे फायर योर इमेजिनेशंस, एंड इफ यू यूज द टाइम इन IIT प्रॉपरली, आप कितनी भी जॉब्स ले सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छी ले सकते हैं. सो एक मिसकंसेप्शन के साथ जॉब नहीं लगेगा, अपना कुछ देख लो, बार बार गेट लिखते रहो, PSUs की तैयारी करते रहो, ये सारा मिसकंसेप्शन से निकलना पड़ेगा. I mean, if you put effort, you will get very good opportunities, right, yes. Amrit?
Yes, sure.
Thanks a lot, Amrit. So मैं इसको सेव कर रहा हूँ भी आपके पोर्टफोलियो में, and please provide me more your information as and when you are available. Fine.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.